Everything about this airdrop is totally simple. Every step you are going to take is absolutely simple. And the nicest and beautiful part of it is at the end of it all, you are going to arrive at a beautiful headwrap style. So you want to stick around and see me do this step by step while I explain in detail to you guys how you are going to do it as a DIY person. It only takes you some few minutes and you are done turning out looking so beautiful to that party. So let's get into it. So the journey of this airdrop started by me getting a 3 layers ashoke material, and I used my rubber band or anything band to divide it into two equal parts. Do you get that? So when you divide it to two equal parts, you place the material on your head, making the elastic band to fall at the center. Is that well explained? Now let me proceed. After placing it on my head, I'm going to make sure it is well laid, arranged. That one is absolutely simple if you can confirm. So come to the back and cross the hand right to left and left to right. If you want your middle part of the head to be covered, then you stretch it out to cover it the way I did. But if you want it open, that means you have to adjust it to the side where you pull out your hair. That is just the simple trick. Now, after you must have directed the hand right to left, left to right, grab any one first grab anyone first and make a rough pleat all through the way I displayed on the screen. You can just pleat everything down like that. Then the band you used earlier, just raise it up and dip the excess fabric into it. I think I am audible enough and it is well explained. Now go to the other side and repeat that same process by pleating it roughly, not that rough, right? But it's nothing serious. Just pick it up and dip it as well into the band the way you do to the first flap of the material. So without wasting much of your time, you have SS, right? You can see we have SS after pulling out. So the angle should be two. You're going to direct one to the down part, like to the back. Wherever the angle stop, you grab your pin and pin down. Do you get? So you're only left with one angle at the top. Now I'm going to bend it down just like I'm bending down, like I'll just bend it down stylishly and I should be having this kind of shape. And when I arrived here, I was like, whoa, this is beautiful, right? I don't know if it is beautiful to you as well, but I think it is beautiful. So I'm going to repeat the same process to the other side. Grab my pin and pin that edge down. You know it's we have two edges. So this is the second edges for the top part. Then I bend it, dip it into the band like I did to the other one and use my hand to adjust. Beacon, when you are done tying your head wrap, please, please and please make sure you always adjust. Look for where there is lapses there. There will always be a place to touch. So take your time and touch it to bring out the amazing look of your head wrap. You get? So when I was at this stage, I was like, yes, we have gotten here and this is amazing. I love this. So I want to cover up the band, so I added a broad to cover up. So if you don't have a broad, that means you must look for the color of the band that matches your fabric. You don't want to go color riot. And here is the final outcome. So guys, if you have watched this length, I believe you love what you see. Hit on the subscribe button, follow for more grab tutorials, share this video, leave a beautiful comment, and I will see you on my next one.